Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you select your gender on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here. Sorry, you go down here, click here on more. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on log it in with Google here. So just click on it. When you just click here on log it in with Google here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on gender here, just click on it. So then here can you select your gender here. Then you click on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.